my great pleasure to welcome you to my channel, Let's Say Graphics and Multimedia. My name is Rafi Yaku right here, and in this video, with just your phone, I'm going to show you step by step on how to create beautiful images like this using Bing AI.com without any stress. So let's go. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you are new to this channel, remember to hit on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell, so each time I post a valuable content about AI topic like this, you'll be notified. So with that being said, let's dive deep into the tutorial and see how to create beautiful image like this using Bing AI tool without any stress. So let's begin. Welcome back, friends. So the first thing we need to do is to make sure we head over to our Google Play Store right here. So if you are using Android phone, you have to head over to your Google Play Store. But if you are using iPhone, just head over to your iPhone store. So right now in this tutorial, I'm using Android phone. So I'm going to head over to my Play Store right here. I'll get it to your Play Store. Next thing you want to do is to make sure you make use of the search engine right here. What you need to do there is to type in Bing. Then you click on search. So you're going to click on here to install. After a successful download and install, next thing you want to do is to click on open. Then right here, click on continue. Then you'll be taken in like this. So the next thing you want to do is to make sure you click on image creator to take you to this point right here. So you have to make sure you click on join and create. So you can click on sign in with a personal account. Then from the point here, click on Microsoft account sign in. Then you have to click on create one. The next thing you want to do is to make sure you click on get a new email address. Then enter your username. Then you can come here and interchange from either Outlook or Hotmail right here. But I'm going to leave it in Outlook, so I'm going to select on that. And the next thing you want to do is to make sure you click on next. Then you have to set in your login password. Then click on next. Then you can save the password to the password manager. Then right here you enter your first name, last name, then click on next. Set your country right here. Then move down below here, choose your month and the year of date of birth. Then choose your day, then choose your year. Next thing you want to do is to make sure you click on next. Then you have to click on next. Then you have to use this arrow to position this particular shoe in this way of hand, this way. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to make use of this to position the shoe in the way of arrow. Then I think I got it. Then I'll click on submit. Then we are going to use the same another arrow. So we can use this one this time around. I'm going to use this arrow right here. Then I will rotate. Then right here, I will make sure I click on submit. Then I can make use of this arrow right here. So I will just tap. Then I'll click on submit. Use of this arrow. Then I'll click on submit. And I'm going to make use of this arrow to rotate in the hand direction. Then I click on submit. Verification complete. So right here you can see an account has been successfully created. Welcome back, friends. So after you successfully create an account with Microsoft Bing, the next thing we want to do is to make sure we use the AI tool to create a beautiful images. So for us to do that, next thing we want to do is to make sure we click on image creator right here. Then you take you right here. Next thing we want to do is to make sure we write our prompt right here. And I'm going to paste my prompt right here. And you can also check the description of this video to see the prompt I use in this particular tutorial. Next thing I'm going to do is to click on join and create. You can see the images right here. So for us to download any of the image, we can just click on the image. Then we click on these three dots right here and we click on download. So the image is going to be saved in our phone gallery. Then click on allow, download. You can swipe and download the rest of the image. We click on here, then we click on download, download. You can swipe, then we click on here, download, download.
So let's get the last image. We'll click on here and make sure we download. After a successful download, we can head over to our phone folder. So I'm going to click on my folder right here. Then these are my recent download. I can go to my download folder right here. So you can view all the image from your phone. So you can view the image right in your phone. So this is how to use Microsoft Bing to create a beautiful images using the Bing AI on mobile. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to click on that subscribe for more AI content like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.